Welcome to Awesome Good. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to scrape product titles on the first product page of Amazon using HTMLSession and xpath. So we are going to use a library request dash HTML and import HTMLSession from there. This request HTML library intends to make parsing HTML simple. From request underscore HTML import HTML session, and then I'm going to define our function to extract title. To extract title of the product, it will take a URL, and we are going to create an HTML session. And we will get it by HTML session. And now I'm going to get the URL, and by using session dot get, and we are going to pass in URL and get the request. And set to R. Now we can use r.html.render and set sleep to 1. And now we can use xpath and collect the titles into a product list of dictionaries. So I'm going to open amazon.com. Now we can perform search on amazon.com. I will search for Python programming. And here are our book results. I can select the title from here. And after selecting the title, we can right click on it and click on inspect. And here we can select from class and up to the value to normal, or I'm just gonna select from here and add class 2 in our xpath. And just copy, and I will use this in my code. Here we can use r.html.xpath, and this will be r.html.xpath. And we are going to select head class and just paste that. And we can collect the titles into product list of dictionaries. So over here, we need to use title.
and this will be item dot text for item in, and then we are going to save in product. And now we can return our product. Return product. Now we can test our function, extract title, and save in resulting titles. Extract title, and we need to pass in the URL. So I will go back to the Amazon site and get our search URL. Just cross this one and get this URL. Just copy it and paste the URL over here and save and run our program. And we also need to print the titles. We can pass to print function titles and just save. And we can run our script by typing Python 3 and the name of our script and just hit enter and wait for the results. Here are the titles which are extracted. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asin Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.